AutoTuner breakthrough. Ford EMS210x ECU OBD tuning just got real. Hey there, amazing auto tech family. Welcome back to the channel, your trusted pit stop for all things automotive diagnostics and performance programming. Before we jump into today's powerful update, I need to ask you something super important. Most of you watch our content regularly, but haven't hit that magical red subscribe button yet. Let's change that today. Take a second, literally just 1 second, to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and get ready for more amazing content like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's raise the bar. I'm challenging every viewer right now. Yes, you watching this, to help us crush a huge milestone. 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours. It sounds bold, I know, but with your support, I believe we can make it happen. If this video gives you even a single useful tip, go ahead and smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with your fellow gearheads and auto enthusiasts. And hey, if you're feeling generous, hit that super thanks, because it directly supports what we do here. All right, let's get into today's update because it's a game changer for the Ford tuning world. So here's the big news. AutoTuner has just rolled out a brand new beta update. It's making serious waves across the performance tuning community. If you've been working on Ford vehicles or you're passionate about ECU tuning, this one's for you. This update brings support for Continental EMS2101, EMS2102, EMS2103, and EMS2106 engine control units, all through OBD access, which means no need to crack open the ECU or remove it from the vehicle. That's right, full read and write capabilities right from the diagnostic port. It doesn't get cleaner or easier than that. Let's break it down into something even smoother for your ears. Imagine this. You plug in through the OBD port, and within just 15 seconds, you've read the full calibration data from one of these EMS210x ECUs. Another 15 seconds, and you've written new data back into it. No soldering, no opening the ECU. Just clean, efficient, and ultra-fast processing thanks to its C167-based microcontroller. It even comes with automatic checksum correction, which means no errors, no manual patching, just pure performance and accuracy. Now here's where you come in. This update is still in its beta phase, and your input is absolutely vital. AutoTuner is actively calling on tech-savvy mechanics, tuners, and Ford specialists to put this new functionality to the test. If you got hands-on access to Ford vehicles running any of these supported ECUs, this is your chance to shape the future of tuning. Try it, push it, report back. Let them know how fast the process really is, what quirks you notice, and how stable the experience feels across different models. This kind of real-world testing from professionals like you is what helps take a tool from promising to legendary. So if you're always on the lookout for the latest edge in diagnostics and tuning, this is your moment to be part of something bigger. The community needs your voice. Before we wrap up, I want to say something from the heart. Updates like these are what keep the automotive world moving forward, and the fact that we can share this kind of info with each other is powerful. Personally, I think the addition of EMS210x OBD support is going to streamline workflows, reduce physical labor, and open the door to safer, faster, and more flexible tuning options for Ford ECUs. It's not just a small feature, it's a big leap. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think about this update? Do you see this changing the way Ford ECUs are handled in your shop or garage? Will it make tuning more accessible for up-and-coming technicians? Or are there areas you think still need improvement? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I read every single one, and I love hearing your perspectives. Before you go, if you found any part of this video insightful or valuable, please hit that like button. And I'm serious about the challenge. 1,000 likes and 100 comments in just 24 hours. Let's prove how strong and active our community really is. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time. Be part of the family. Be part of the future of diagnostics and tuning. And don't forget to share this video with others who need to know about this AutoTuner breakthrough. Thanks again for sticking with me till the end. You're not just a viewer. You're a vital part of this growing community. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, keep learning, and, as always, happy diagnosing.